Hey, my name is Happy. I help candidates in .NET interview preparation. After watching this video, you will be able to answer this question in any interview. If you want to cover all the .NET interview questions, then please click on like and subscribe buttons so that you cannot miss any important interview question. So let's start with this question.
What are the important components of .NET Framework? What are their roles? Here is the diagram which shows the components of the .NET Framework. Let's see what they do. The first one from the bottom is Common Language Runtime. CLR, which stands for Common Language Runtime, manages the execution of programs written in any language that uses the .NET Framework. For example, C#, F#, VB.NET, and so on. CLR does various operations like memory management, security checks, etc. So CLR is the main component. It stands for Common Language Runtime, and what it does is it manages the execution of program. Second one is CTS, which stands for Common Type System. It is the set of rules which state how a data type should be declared, defined, and used in the program. So we know that we have data types in our C# like integer, string, double, and many other data types. So there will be a set of rules which manage that how this data type should be declared, defined, and used in the programs. So that thing is managed by the CTS, which is Common Type System. Next component is CLS. CLS stands for Common Language Specification. It is a subset of CTS only. So when I say CTS, that means it is Common Type System, and Common Language Specification is a subset of CTS. So again, it will define the set of rules and restrictions that every language must follow, which runs under the .NET framework. So for example, you have many languages in .NET framework like C#, VB.NET, J#. So all these languages must follow some set of rules so that they can be compiled into a common DLL. So that set of rules are defined by CLS. Next is BCL, or we can say FCL, which is Framework Class Libraries. Now, what is Framework Class Libraries? It is the collection of classes, namespace, interfaces, and value types that are used for .NET application. For example, .NET Framework provides you a string class, and by using that string class, .NET Framework provides methods like replace, substring. So these all are provided by .NET Framework only. So these kind of classes like a string class, and there are reflection class, and there are other classes also which are provided by the .NET, which are considered as framework class libraries. So that's it. These are the main components of the .NET framework.